In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your aspect ratio in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. So if you would want to change the aspect ratio of the timeline that you are currently working right now, you just need to navigate on the settings icon right here at the very bottom right. Click on that and then it will now open up the project settings. In here, you could now see the timeline resolution. So you could click here on this drop down and then you'd now be able to see the presets right here on what kind of resolution you'd want. You can go for 1080p, 1440p, 4K, 8K, and many more right there. And next is that you could also navigate in here and input it manually, or if you'd want a custom resolution, this is where you can do that. In here is that you could also use the vertical resolution if you'd want a 9:16 resolution or aspect ratio on your timeline so that you don't have to input this manually right here. And then when you use that, when you click here on save, you'd now be able to see that it is now automatically converted into a vertical format without even inputting the value. So we can go back in here and we have more options such as the timeline frame rate, playback frame rate, and many more right here that you could change. But since we're only interested in the aspect ratio, this is where you can do it. You also have these presets right here, like you can go for square, anamorphic, standard definition, cinemascope, and so on. And now lastly is that you could also see the timelines in here. So if you have multiple timelines in your media or in your project, you could right click on the timeline and go into timelines and then go into timeline settings. In here, you'd have the same thing. So you can change the timeline resolution, aspect ratio, frame rate, and many more. And if you don't want this to be grayed out, just simply uncheck this and then you'd now be able to edit that just like that. Next is that you have the monitor, the output, and the color right here. So that's it on how you'd be able to do this on DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.